Okay, exercise 5.9 asks us to spend some time considering operating leverage and what happens. Remember, operating leverage is defined as the contribution margin divided by net operating income. So contribution margin over operating income is leverage. And in this case, our leverage is 3. So that says that we will increase our leverage is 3 times, our contribution margin is 3 times our operating income. Okay? That's an important number for us to know. So it then says, based on that information, using the operating leverage to estimate the impact of net operating income of a 10% increase in sales. So if we increase our sales by 10%, we will increase our net income by 30%. Because our leverage is 3, our increase in sales would be 10%, so our increase would be 30%. This is saying that, take a look here, sales multiplied by the operating leverage, our leverage is 3, will increase our income by 30%. Okay? Then the last thing it says is, what would that be in dollars? Can you prove that? And again, of course, the book finds the most difficult, obstreperous, complicated way to do it. I think I can do it a whole lot easier than that. If we increase our sales by 10%. So if we take a look at this, our sales are 120,000. So if we increase the sales by 120,000, 10% times 10% is 12,000. 30% of that, $3,600. That's the way I would do it. Increase the sales by 10% gives us $12,000 increase in sales. 30% of that is $3,600. Of course, the book says, oh, no, we want to see that in detail. Well, there it is in detail. And by God, look what happens. We increase sales by 10%. So that's 132,000. If we increase our sales, our variable expenses have to go up by the same amount, by 10%. Our contribution margin goes up. Our fixed expenses remains the same. Our operating income is $15,600, which is $3,600 more, or 30% of the $12,000. The contribution margin and operating leverage are very useful management tools.